One of my buddies was selling a larger mineral package using pay on 353 PDP wells. He had some APIs present, some were missing. We had all the well names, the counties and states. And so we wanted to allow our users to do is to very quickly locate API numbers, even without the API numbers present in the file. So I'm going to drag in this file type. So what I did in the file, this Excel file literally just has well name, county and state, and then a column for APIs. I removed all the APIs just to get a quick feel for how the product would work. I'm going to drag this in there and show you guys what it does. So it pops out a window here. So you'll see the first three columns. You have well name, county and state. It has now matched that with all the API numbers with a probability of match, the match percentage column here. So in this case, it has matched 339 of those 353 wells pretty much immediately. So essentially you can go from, again, high level, if you wanted to just match, like locate the API numbers spatially, but also in a CSV, and then you want to quickly go pull all of the production data and you want to export any of the well header data, you can do that in less than 30 seconds. So I've matched all of these, essentially 339 of those wells. If any of them are unmatched, I can click on the unmatched tab and manually search our database for those. For the purposes of time, I'm going to click continue. It populates all the APIs in here. And then all I have to do is apply that filter. It locates all wells spatially there on the map. So you can see the heat map of where they're located. And it limits the table to those wells. So if I wanted to export all of the data, again, I can just select all, hit download, export all the well header or the historical production. I can also build a high level curve on every single well in this data set. So if I click back to producing time, here is the average curve for all 333 wells. Again, run type curve. So just for really high level, like the other day, I went in, I just wanted to look at what are the average EURs of every well that's been drilled in the Haynesville and in Louisiana on a per 1,000-foot basis. That's one thing I did not cover is in the analytics tab over here, you can see the option to normalize per 1,000 lateral foot. So I can actually normalize once I remove the vertical wells, I can normalize per 1,000 lateral foot. And when you run the type curve, it'll actually calculate on a per 1,000 lateral foot basis, which I think will be really helpful for a lot of you guys.
Get instant access to AOI's well filtering and more. Start your free 7-day trial now. No commitment, no credit card needed.